Hi there friends, and welcome to my channel, Cat's Paw Canteen. I'm Kenny, and today we're making a high protein dinner. So I've been on this high protein, low carb diet for well over 2 years. I did take about 6 months of a break, but the first year that I did it, from 2022 to 2023, I lost a good 60 pounds or so. Now, of course, it's not just the food that I eat, but I did have exercise and all that. But this is one of my favorite meals to make for a semi-cheat day, because I'm going to be using a high-protein ground turkey and some tofu to make some delicious nuggets. So come follow me into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make them. So I've got right here a pound of ground turkey. You could use ground chicken if you want, but today I'm using ground turkey. Let's lightly season with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And I like mine garlicky, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon or 2 of minced garlic. Drop 1 egg. About a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. A light drizzle of soy sauce. Didn't have enough, so a little bit more. There we go. Just a light drizzle of soy sauce. And we're going to take about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch. There we go. And half a block of silk tofu, the soft kind. Per 1 pound of ground turkey, you're going to be using 7 ounces. So this is just half. So if you're using 2 pounds, use a full block. And go ahead and mash this all up with your hands. And when it's well mashed together like this, it's ready to be fried. While we're letting the oil heat up, let's go ahead and prepare the dipping sauce. Take some mayo, some minced garlic, drizzle of soy sauce, and Sriracha. Lots of it if you want it spicy. And give it a quick mix. Okay, there we have nice garlicky, spicy Sriracha mayo. Next, you want to take out your large pan, put some oil in it. We're not going to deep fry it, but we are going to pan fry it real quick. Now grab a ball of your turkey tofu mix and then smash it down into a coin-like or nugget-like shape, just like that, and place it gently into the oil. And you can fry about 6 or so at a time. Once they start to brown on one side, go ahead, flip them over. We're going on a medium-high heat, and you want to cook each side for about 2-3 minutes each. Want to make sure all of it gets nice and golden brown. About a good 6 minutes or so on medium-high heat. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Look how nice and golden brown they became. Okay, let's get ready to plate it up. And don't forget your garlic Sriracha mayo. And there you have it, a nice semi-cheat day meal, turkey tofu nuggets. Alrighty, take a look at that. Nice crispy outside, nice golden brown. Let's go ahead, dip it into our Sriracha mayo here. Alright, let's give it a taste. Itadakimasu. It's a nice crispy exterior, and the inside is like clouds. Nice, moist, juicy as well. Now, if you've never tried tofu before and you're a little standoffish to try it, but you want to try a high protein meal, this is a good way to start out, because you don't really taste the tofu, you do taste the meat, you taste that it's fried, and the sauce as well. So it's a really good start. Well, I hope you folks enjoyed my video today. It's a really simple recipe. If you want to try a high protein meal, give it a try. And before you leave, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back at the canteen real soon.